Imagine a continent so vast and cold it feels like another planet, an endless expanse of white stretching beyond the horizon, where the sun barely rises for months and the wind howls with a force that can freeze exposed skin in seconds. This is Antarctica, Earth's southernmost landmass, a place of extremes that has fascinated explorers, scientists, and dreamers for generations. It's a silent, white desert larger than Europe, holding 90% of the world's ice and preserving secrets from millions of years ago. Beneath its surface, ancient fossils and meteorites lie hidden, waiting to tell stories of Earth's distant past. Its extreme conditions have kept it largely untouched, making it a perfect laboratory for studying our planet in its purest state. Here, scientists brave the elements to unlock clues about climate change, past life, and even the origins of our solar system. Every expedition and ice core reveals astonishing discoveries, challenging what we know about Earth. Each layer of ice is a frozen time capsule, capturing ancient air and particles from eras long gone. Antarctica is not a static wasteland. Glaciers carve with thunderous cracks, hidden lakes flow in darkness beneath miles of ice, and volcanoes rumble, shaping the landscape from below. Life thrives in unimaginable ways, from resilient microbes living in subglacial lakes to penguins and seals enduring the harshest winters. Mysteries unfold beneath our feet, revealing ecosystems unlike any other on Earth. Join us as we explore strange satellite anomalies, blood-red waterfalls that defy explanation, and bizarre creatures that call this frozen world home, each discovery deepening the enigma of Antarctica. Antarctica is a testament to the resilience of life and a reminder of how much there is left to discover. Its enduring allure continues to inspire awe, curiosity, and a sense of wonder about our planet's last great wilderness. Our journey begins with a digital mystery. On King George Island, Google Earth users spotted a massive dark cave in a snow-covered mountain. The entrance, large enough for a passenger jet, sparked wild theories. Secret bases, lost cities, even alien spacecraft. The cave's appearance and disappearance in satellite images only deepened the intrigue. Farther out, another user found what looked like a 400-foot ship frozen in the ice, its features eerily resembling a real vessel. Was it a lost ship or just an oddly shaped iceberg? Without boots on the ground, the truth remains locked in the ice. These digital discoveries remind us that even in the age of satellites, Antarctica keeps its secrets well hidden. Antarctica's mysteries extend into its wild oceans, where satellite images once revealed a colossal shape. Some claimed it was a sea monster, the legendary Kraken. Scientists offered rational explanations, but the idea of unknown giants lurking in the deep persists. The Southern Ocean is home to real giants, like the colossal squid, and its depths remain largely unexplored. On land, Antarctica hosts bloodfalls, a waterfall of deep red water pouring from the Taylor Glacier. Once thought to be algae, the color is actually iron-rich, ancient water oxidizing as it meets the air. This dramatic spectacle is a window into a hidden, subglacial world sealed away for millions of years. Antarctica's illusions, both natural and imagined, remind us how much remains unseen. Each phenomenon is a clue to the continent's dynamic, mysterious nature. Amid Antarctica's vast expanse of ice lies the McMurdo Dry Valleys, a place so stark and desolate that it stands as one of the driest deserts on Earth. Here, the landscape is so barren and windswept, it's often compared to the surface of Mars, with its rocky terrain and absence of snow. Relentless, powerful winds sweep across the valleys, stripping away any trace of moisture and leaving behind a hauntingly beautiful expanse of bare soil. Scattered throughout are hypersaline lakes, their waters so salty they remain liquid even in the extreme cold, creating a truly alien environment. Yet even in these harshest of conditions, life finds a way. Microscopic organisms cling to existence, surviving in thin films of water that form inside rocks and in the tiniest crevices. These extremophiles have adapted to thrive where almost nothing else can, offering a glimpse into the resilience of life. Beneath the thick Antarctic ice, scientists have recently confirmed the existence of vast, hidden networks of rivers and lakes. These subglacial waterways are kept liquid not by sunlight, but by the immense pressure of the ice above and the subtle warmth of geothermal heat rising from below. In 2022, a team of researchers drilled deep through the Ross Ice Shelf and made a remarkable discovery: a flowing river teeming with tiny crustaceans and other life forms, all thriving in total darkness, isolated from the world above. This hidden ecosystem has shattered our previous assumptions, revealing that Antarctica is not just a frozen wasteland, but a dynamic, living system with complex interactions and unexpected vitality. The continent's mysterious subglacial world is a new frontier for science, hinting at the possibility of even more undiscovered life forms and ecosystems waiting beneath the ice, challenging our understanding of where life can exist. Antarctica is not a static, frozen monolith, but a place of constant transformation, where ice shifts, melts, and refreezes, and hidden forces shape the landscape in ways we are only beginning to understand. Each new discovery here opens up more questions, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and inspiring us to rethink what's possible for life in the harshest environments on our planet. If you're fascinated by these hidden mysteries, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more incredible discoveries from the world's most extreme places. Life in Antarctica is as strange as the continent itself. In the Southern Ocean, sea spiders grow to dinner plate size, their organs stretching into their spindly legs, a result of polar gigantism. The seafloor is home to ghostly ice fish and ancient sponges, each adapted to the extreme cold. Antarctica was once a lush, temperate land, part of the supercontinent Gondwana. Fossils of dinosaurs, marine reptiles, and ancient birds reveal a vibrant prehistoric ecosystem beneath today's ice. These discoveries are hard-won, requiring expeditions to the most remote places on Earth. Each fossil fragment helps reconstruct Antarctica's transformation from green paradise to polar desert. The continent's past and present life forms challenge our understanding of evolution and survival. Not all Antarctic icebergs are plain white. Some are streaked with vivid blue, green, and black stripes. These stripes record the iceberg's history: blue from rapidly frozen meltwater, green from algae-rich ocean water, and black from rock and sediment. Blue stripes form when crevices fill with meltwater that freezes quickly, trapping no air bubbles and creating a deep, clear blue. Green stripes, once a mystery, are now known to come from phytoplankton and iron-rich water frozen into the ice. Black and brown bands reveal the iceberg's journey over land, scraping up sediment. Each striped iceberg is a floating record of geology, chemistry, and biology, a natural work of art. These ephemeral masterpieces drift silently through the polar seas, showcasing Antarctica's hidden complexity. Even in frozen water, the continent's wonders never cease to amaze. Both poles are icy extremes, but their differences are profound. While they may seem similar at first glance, vast, frozen, and remote, their unique characteristics set them worlds apart. The Arctic is a frozen ocean surrounded by continents, while Antarctica is a vast landmass encircled by ocean. This fundamental difference shapes everything from their weather patterns to the way life has adapted to survive there. The Arctic's floating sea ice supports land mammals like polar bears, Arctic foxes, and reindeer, all adapted to the harsh northern cold. In contrast, Antarctica's wildlife is almost entirely marine. Penguins, seals, and whales thrive along its icy coasts, while the interior remains nearly lifeless. Antarctica's isolation and immense ice make it colder and more stable than the Arctic. Its wind-swept plateaus and towering glaciers create one of the most extreme environments on Earth, where temperatures can plunge lower than anywhere else. The continent's mysteries, from hidden ice caves and surreal ice formations to the blood-red waterfalls and ancient fossils, challenge our understanding of Earth's history and climate. Each feature tells a story millions of years in the making. Each discovery deepens the enigma, reminding us how much we have yet to learn. Scientists venture into these frozen frontiers, braving the elements to unlock secrets buried deep within the ice. As climate change accelerates, Antarctica's ice sheets hold crucial clues to our planet's future. The melting glaciers and carving ice shelves are not just local events, they have global consequences, affecting sea levels and weather patterns worldwide. Its secrets are not just curiosities, they're vital data for predicting global change. Trapped air bubbles in ancient ice reveal past atmospheres, helping us understand how our world is changing today. Antarctica remains Earth's last great wilderness, calling us to explore, protect, and preserve its fragile wonders. Its untouched beauty is a reminder of what's at stake as we face an uncertain future. The next great discovery may be just beneath the ice, waiting for us to look closer. Antarctica's unwritten future depends on what we choose to learn and how we choose to act.